What's up, Internet, and welcome to part 6 of my Niagara Program tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to add actions to a program object. So here we go. Alright, so let's get us a new program object out here. And go to the program editor and the slot sheet. So we're going to add a few slots here. So we're going to start out with a status numeric. I'm going to check the summary, and it's going to be read only. And we'll just call it out. All right, our next one, we'll just call it out boolean, and the type will be status boolean. We'll do summary and read only on that guy as well. And then we'll do one more, and we'll just call it out enum, and the type will be status enum. We'll do a summary and read only on that guy as well. On this one, we're going to actually apply some facets to it. So we're going to do a range, and we're going to define that range. So we'll do ordinal 0, we'll just call it this, and ordinal 1, we'll call it that, and then ordinal 2, we'll just call it this 2. All right, so let's do one more. We'll call this one out string, and the type will be status string. We'll do summary and read only on that guy as well. So this will be all of our out slots. So now we need to do some actions. So first action, we'll just call it set out, and the type is going to be from the program module, and the type is a program action. And there's nothing we need to do here as far as flags go. All right, we need to do one more. We'll call the next one, we'll call it set true. This will be for setting our boolean point. And we'll do another one, call it set false. And then we'll do one more, we'll call this one set string. And then the last one, we'll call it set enum. And we'll apply the same facets here. All right, so let's get rid of all this. We don't need any of this code. All right, so the first one we're going to do is going to be, we're going to make the action set our out slot. And we're going to use this right here. All right, so that's saying whenever we fire the set out, it's looking for us to pass it a double. And when we pass it a double, we're going to get the out slot, and we're going to set the value, and we're going to make it equal to the value we pass in here. All right, the next one we're going to do will be the set true for the out boolean point. So when we fire off the set true action, we don't have to pass it anything, because we're actually just going to, the value we want is actually in the action itself. So we get the out boolean slot, set the value to true. And then the same thing can be said for our false. And then our string, same thing here. We're going to on set string. So when we fire off the set string action, we're going to pass it a string, and then we're going to get the out string slot. We're going to set the value to the value we pass it. All right, for the enum, it's just a little different. So when we set the enum, we're going to pass it a B dynamic enum. And this is our variable we're passing, and then we're going to get the out enum slot. We're going to set it with the value we pass in here. All right, so if all's well, we should have some actions here. So here's all of our actions. So we got our set out, put in a value, and it updates. All right, so let's set the out boolean to true. All right, so we're good there. Let's set it to false. All right, we got an update. We're good there. And then we're going to set the string. So we'll just call it, this is a string. That'll be our string we're passing in. All right, that guy's going to update. And then we're going to set our enum. So here's our 3 ordinals. We'll just change to that. Updates here. So we're good to go. All right, so that pretty much sums up adding your own actions to a program object. If you got any questions or comments, just drop them below and we'll catch you on the next one.